Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I'm testing a new mic today, a lavalier, I believe they're called. I do want to, every once in a while, get in front of the camera so we can have a one-on-one intimate video, you know what I mean. Today I want to review a product. This is Clarity Ph2OBIC, PHOBIC, PHOBIC. You guys can tell me how it's pronounced down in the comments section. And the reason I wanted to show this to you is because of its ability to stop wipers from chattering. And that it doesn't matter if you're using this on its own or with a coating to maintain a glass or windshield coating. I know with my BC4 and BC5, I tested as many wipers as I absolutely could to make sure that we could cut down on the noise and the chattering, but I wasn't going to buy every single wiper out there. So maybe with this product, and it doesn't matter if you have BC4, BC5, or any coating on your glass, or none at all, this may help with a bit of hydrophobics and chattering on your glass. So let's get into the video. Has a seal you pop open and get the nozzle in there. I don't know why I do this. I haven't been able to smell anything since '97, but a guy can always wish. Let me know down in the comments section what this smells like. I'm always interested in what the detailing products smell like. Maybe not a great idea to be smelling these, but we're ready to go. All we need is this and a microfiber, and we can get to work. So we were doing some PPF work on the Gallardo here, and as you can see, there's some slip solution dripping down the glass, and we're going to clean that off with the Carpro Ph2OBIC, and we'll see how easy it is to use. Does it leave streaking, and does it give it some slickness? And does it just overall maintain a coating or maintain your glass by itself without a coating? We'll start on the rather large and spacious windshield on this wedge here, and I grabbed the Clarify and a couple Huck towels. These are surgery Huck towels, and they're seconds, and they can be found in a large bag. They just throw them in a bag and put them on Amazon for just a couple dollars, and they're fantastic because they do not lint, and they're great for cleaning glass. External use only with this product. They do not want you, or do not recommend you use it on the interior glass. There can be an issue with fogging if you do. So we're just going to do half of the windshield at a time. We'll do half of the glass here, and then we'll test for slickness compared to the other side. Nothing on this glass at all protecting it whatsoever. So we just spray it on. Use one side of your towel to spread it out and clean at the same time. I believe it does have some surfactants, so it can clean and protect. Flip it over and buff until the streaking or the product has evaporated and there is no streaking whatsoever. I can immediately feel some slickness. Nice and clean. No streaking to speak of as of yet. I can definitely see where we have a clean windshield compared to the other side. Yeah, not too bad. Really slick when you grab a second dry microfiber and buff to perfection. Okay. So the best way I could show you slickness on the windshield here, we'll put applicators on both sides, and remember, this windshield hardly has any angle to it. That's why it's so long. It's tilted so far down and it just glides right down, nice and smooth. And a bit later we'll go outside and I'll show you what the hydrophobics look like, because it is Clarify Hydrophobic. Yeah, I can dig this so far. Let me clean the rest of the glass before we head outside. Quick and easy. The slip solution for paint protection film can get grimy if it dries on the glass, and this has been on here for a few days now, and this cuts right through it. So being a protectant, it does do a decent job at cleaning as well. I do advise following up with the second microfiber just to clean up a little bit. Just like that. Guys, we've, the old Lambo here, we've done a lot of work to it so far. The wheels, splitter, skirts, wing, we have a diffuser. We're going to do a mid-tier exhaust exit for it, high fluid cats, and some other modifications, interior work. Easy to work on. It's basically working on an Audi. All of your wires, all your hoses stamped or tagged with the Audi emblem, and really everything easy to get to. If you want to see some videos of us tinkering with the old girl, which becomes a classic in 2 years, we'll be getting the classic tags. Unbelievable. Really, the shape and the overall look of the vehicle really held up throughout the years. I absolutely love it. It's the baby Lambo, the last of the V10s, and really have enjoyed it so far. If you want to see a video of us working on it and the ease of working on a supercar, let me know and I'll get some footage for you. Let's finish these windows here. Oh yeah, definitely have a second microfiber. You'll see what I mean if you have the right light in your shop or natural light. Just ever so slight haziness left behind. And that second microfiber buffs it right off. And in no time at all, we are finished. Not a bad experience. Looks good, nice and slick. I'm gonna go outside and see just how hydrophobic in just a few short minutes. But hopefully you can get the angle. You can see no streaking. There you go. That should be pretty good with that light. If you don't like the Huck towels, these very short nap microfibers work. Just don't lay them on your rag top, drop top. Lint drives me crazy on these. And there you go. So this windshield has been coated and maintained with the Clarify Hydrophobics, and now it's dirty again, so we'll rinse it off, I'll wash it, and then we'll see how it reacts. By the way, good friends, if you wanted more of the blue collar line or wanted to try the blue collar protectants for the first time, I wanted to do something a little bit bigger than just Black Friday. So starting now, on the site, there will be 30% off through Black Friday until 11:59 p.m. And there will be a code down in the description box, and you just enter that and get your 30% off any order. Enjoy. Not too shabby. Now we jumped inside the vehicle. We're going to turn on the wipers and see how the product teams up with your wipers to clear the windshield of moisture during inclement weather. Do they skip? Do they make a sound? Let's find out. Not until the glass is dry do they start to chatter, so not bad. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this video. The Carpro Clarify Hydrophobic. Not a bad experience. Maybe if you are looking for such a product, give it a shot. Don't pick these products up and hoard them as I do. And also let me know how the mic sounds. How is the video quality? Do you like these style videos more with me in front of the camera than behind? I can't do it all the time. A lot of my videos are captured footage during a shop day with the compressor going, the dog barking, the TV going, YouTube videos playing, music playing. So it's always best if I just capture the footage and do a voiceover in the end, but on a quiet day when nobody else is here, I can go to more of a style such as this. Let me know down in the comments section. It's always great to spend a couple minutes out of the day hanging with you guys. Catch you in the next video.